Hello, welcome to Kelton Manufacturing Corporation. Firstly, thanks for visiting our site. If you're here, it's because you're looking for someone who can ensure your project's success. And we can do that not only through custom metal fabrication services, but I presume that you're also here because you're looking for someone who can augment capacity and efficiency so that your business can maximize opportunity and revenue. Our mission is to enhance your operations and profitability through strategic efficiency and collaborative partnerships. It's also our purpose to serve you in the spirit of collaboration. My name is Howard Crampton Jr. I'm the CEO and I run operations here at Kelton Manufacturing alongside my dad, Howard Crampton, who's also our founder and chief welder. This brief overview introduces our ethos and leadership, underlining our commitment to being a reliable and innovative partner in your endeavors. Also emphasizing the importance of addressing three all too common industry challenges. The first one is persistent frustrations that arise in operations and collaboration. The second being communication gaps between engineers, manufacturers, suppliers that should otherwise lead to optimal outcomes. And third is the pitfall of cheap labor, which always compromises quality and innovation. We have 40 years of industry notoriety, and we're characterized by our pursuit in quality, innovation, and collaboration. We look forward to connecting with you so that we can learn more about your needs and your personal frustrations, and also explore how we can contribute to your project success. You can click any of our calendar links below to schedule a meeting with us or use the contact form. And we do look forward to connecting with you, again, learning more about your needs and how we can help. Thank you so much. Cheers.